Hi, thanks for visiting our website. Are you looking to have your cell phone repaired? Do you need an iPhone repair, iPod repair, or another smartphone repaired? Well, our experience makes all the difference. Give us a call. We have helped countless customers get their iPod, iPad, iPhones, smartphones, and many other types of electronics fixed quickly and inexpensively as possible. Our cell phone repair pros are local and offer a full service repair facility right here in your town. We stock numerous OEM parts, phone parts, and many other types of batteries that our technicians can use and be well equipped to repair nearly any issue with your phone. Our technicians are the best in the business. No questions asked, as we will thoroughly inspect your device to make sure it continues to give you many years of enjoyment. Give us a call today.